Your Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney local forecast with meteorologist Kit Cloninger.
Well, a beautiful day here around the Tri-Cities, and we do see a few clouds out there. Looking south from Grand Island and here in Hastings at the KSMB studios, we do see a few of those puffy cumulus clouds, but looking north from Kearney and North Platte, we can see some anvil clouds starting to drift through north central Nebraska. We'll take a look at radar at what storms are producing these anvils, but we can see that we've got some cloud cover coming in that might filter out some of the sunlight a little bit in the later parts of the afternoon, so that might keep us just a little bit cooler as we head into the evening. And let's take a look at the upper levels right now, because we're talking about those anvil clouds. We've got high pressure basically over New Mexico right now, so very high pressure, very strong winds out of the northwest with that. And then even here over the Nebraska area, we still see those northwestern winds, and that's starting to pull off those cloud tops of those storms that are off towards the northwest part of the state that we saw just a little bit ago. So that's pulling those anvil clouds across central Nebraska, and we'll see that in just a moment once we get to radar. But let's go to the 3-day forecast really quickly, because we've got some rain chances coming up, and it looks like we're going to get back into sort of that overnight thunder shower chance basically every day this week. Most of the rain will be Monday, and that's going to be the first wave of heavy rain coming through, more widespread showers coming through then. And then on Thursday, again, we could be seeing that. So I've bumped up a couple of these percentages just to say that there are going to be places that will certainly get rain, but it's going to be hit or miss through any given day. And like I said, we've got a couple of those overnight chances Friday and Saturday and even into Sunday as well. So looks like we're getting back into a little bit more of a rainy pattern coming up this week. We might even dip down into the mid-70s there on Thursday. So a cold front is expected to pass through with this system. So that could keep those temperatures a little bit cooler. It depends on how quickly that front gets here. If it gets here a little bit later, we'll get just a little bit warmer than that. Satellite and radar right now looking off towards the Sandhills is where we see all of the activity, mostly over Cherry County, and we do have a severe thunderstorm watch out for much of the Sandhills. So this is including Sheridan County, Grant County, Hooker, Thomas, Cherry, Brown, and Kippahaw counties. So only Brown and Kippahaw counties are in our immediate viewing area, but most of this will be right now off towards South Dakota. Looking a little bit closer on radar, seeing what everything is happening right now. We see possibly some hail here in Cherry counties, maybe some small hail, lots of lightning there, and you can see all of this moisture streaming into these storms, keeping them fed and keeping them pretty happy and moving. Looking right now, it's 90 degrees in Ainsworth, 93 up in O'Neill, 89 off towards the Lexington area, and much warmer off towards the west. But we still have the humidity here in the Tri-Cities area and eastern Nebraska, dew points in the 70s, making it feel like it's in the low 90s. Not terrible, but we could be seeing those temperatures a little bit cooler. Looking at the winds right now, mostly out of the southeast. Like I said, it's feeding that those storms up in Cherry County and in the Sandhills. As we head through the evening, looking through Futurecast, it looks like we'll see this wave of showers start to die off before it reaches the Tri-Cities. Only a small chance of some rain for us here, but we could see that continue past a little bit of rain showers. But then tomorrow, better chance for some severe weather off towards eastern Nebraska, some heavier rain off that direction. Tonight, the severe weather risk is confined mostly off towards the Sandhills. But tomorrow, like I said, we've got a slight risk out from the Tri-Cities towards the east into Iowa as well, so we'll continue to watch that over the next several days. Stick around for sports. Zach Williamson is in next.